Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unfollow or block users on X. So just select the user that you want to unfollow and you're just going to select unfollow here. Or if you want to block them, just go to their post. I don't follow this person. This is just an example. I'm not actually going to block them. Select the three dots here and you're just going to select block. And that's how you can either unfollow or block people on X. This is a very useful button. For instance, someone's being just super annoying on this app, you can just block them or unfollow them. I don't know. Up to you, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you stayed until the end. Goodbye.